Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to play offline on your PS5. Now to do that, if you're already on the internet and you just want to play offline, you want to come up to the top here and come up to settings, and you want to come down to network and settings and then toggle connect to the internet off. This will disconnect you from the internet, and this is just like having no internet access. So we'll load up Gran Turismo 7, we'll speed this process up. As you can see, you get a warning message letting you know you're not connected to the network. However, you can press OK. You may get this warning message a couple of times, as PlayStation do want you to be connected to the internet. However, you can play on your PlayStation 5 not connected to the internet. We'll speed this process up. So as you can see, we're now on Gran Turismo 7 fully loaded, and you can select the world map or music rally. As you can see here just above it, you're on offline mode. Let's select the world map, but quite obviously if you try and share anything like broadcast, you'll be told you're offline and you won't be able to do this, but you'll be able to play the game offline. Hope that video was helpful. If it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.